OLA driver referral code. So yep, there is OLA driver app. However, it's only on the Android Google Play Store. It's not available on the on iOS. So here's how it looks like. If you just open up like your profile in the OLA driver app, you will have a refer button. So this is as you are as a driver, not as a person who books trips. So yeah, and then when you tap refer, you will see your referral code. Refer your friends and earn when they join OLA, and then you will see your referral code, referral earnings, pending referrals, attached referrals, and then in the bottom you can just tap refer now. So yep, and then in the bottom you tap refer now, invite your friend, and your friend should use the code. So that's basically the idea. Try that out. I'm still not quite sure, is it like works for OLA drivers or is it like for just all the people booking trips with OLA? So try it out.